Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great Sunday. So today we're going to be doing a DIY on how to paint your own custom wine glasses. So this is the wine glass that we're going to be painting in today's video, and it is done in a Dot Mandala style. I'm going to go with that. If you like the look of this glass, then please keep watching. So these are two paint sets that I've got. They're both oven proof. I'm going to be using the Creole one, which is glass and porcelain, because it's a lot more pigmented than the PBO. I'm using red, white and blue, and I'm going for this sort of pastel colour scheme. So you can mix acrylic paints with these paints to get the right colour you're looking for. So if you haven't got the tools, it doesn't matter. You can probably find them around the house. I have listed a number of tools here with the dot sizes next to them, just so you can find something that's lying around in the house. So ironically, I'm not a wine drinker, so I'm going to do this for my mom. My mom's name is Liz, so I'm just going to create an L with this masking tape. You don't have to do this, but it just gives you a guide to go by. Make sure all the tape is stuck down and give the inside of the letter a wipe so it's nice and clean. If you have any rubbing alcohol, great. If you don't, then not to worry. So I'm just going to start this off with putting the dots on. So I'm starting with a really nice pale blue colour, and as you can see, all I'm doing is using the end of the pencil and dipping it in the paint and then applying it to the glass. And then I'm just going to use a range of colours and a range of different sizes to gain a pattern. I didn't really have an idea where I was going to go with this, but I just started filling gaps and using different sizes and different colours, and it really pulled itself together nicely, especially when I went in with the really tiny small detail. This is the paper clip that I'm using here, and it worked so well. So I'm just going to really speed this up now, just so you can gain an understanding of how it all came together without watching this video for a very long time. So when I put the white on, I feel like it all sort of started to come together, because the white is very bright white and it contrasts so well against the other colours. So I feel like it just brought it all together. So that's the L all complete. If you can see any gaps, just go in there with different sizes and fill them in. So I'm going to leave the tape on just for a while, just to make sure the paint is dry before I start taking it off. I'm now going to move on to the base of the glass, starting with small dots in 4 sections. So I haven't used this colour in the letter, but I thought it'd be a really nice contrast to build up the base of the glass. You can add as much detail or as less detail as you want. So I'm going to carefully move the tape from the letter. However, I would leave the glass to set for a little while so you don't end up catching any of the paint on the base of the glass. So when you remove the tape, you might see that there are some smudges on the glass. I'm just going to take some water on a cotton bud and just wipe that away. So now that glass is clean, it can go in the oven for however long the instructions say, and it'll be dishwasher proof and ready to use. So that's this video complete, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of a different DIY for me, but it came together really nicely. So it's very inexpensive and very easy to do as a gift for anyone. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys.